Okay, welcome back to another edition of Recipes Mania. Crystal and I were going to do a hot dog recipe, but since the only way I really like my hot dogs is in a bun or in a biscuit, we decided we could do better. So I came up with cheesy chicken and mushrooms, and Crystal and I are in her kitchen cooking today. Hi, Crystal.
Hey.
Alright, so I started with a can of mushrooms, added butter and garlic, and they're sauteing nicely on the stove on low. And while those are sauteing, I took 2 chicken breasts, cut them into 4 pieces, added some salt and pepper, and I'm sauteing those on a skillet. So we will let you know when they're done and give you the next step. Okay, so the chicken is browned on both sides and cooked all the way through, almost to completion. But before it's completely done, I added a can of golden mushroom soup. And I'm going to let the soup and the chicken saute with the cover on for about 10 or 12 more minutes before I add the next ingredient. Okay, so that's simmered, and next I added the mushrooms that I sauteed in garlic and put it on top. And Crystal and I decided to do a lean protein for this recipe because it's a really nasty flu season this year, and our body needs all the protein it can get to help keep us healthy.
I don't know about you, Rach, but I don't want to get sick.
No, we already have people we know that have gotten sick, and Crystal and I are going to try to avoid it at all costs. All right,
Ain't that the truth?
Absolutely. All right, so we're going to let that simmer for a couple minutes, put the lid back on, and then we will add the final ingredient, which isn't exactly the healthiest ingredient, but darn it, it's our favorite.
Yep.
All right, so I just put the final ingredient on, a couple sprinkles of Sargento sharp cheddar cheese. Use any kind of cheese, Parmesan, cheddar, mozzarella, any of it would be good. And we're just going to let the cheese melt, and it is ready to eat. You think it's going to taste good, Crystal?
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys. Well, try it and tell us what you think, and hopefully I win the next bet against Crystal. Guys, have a good day.
Yeah, right. Like you're going to win?
Crystal's confident. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.